Do you already have your own online shop? If no, don't worry, I got you covered, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your own online shop without spending a dime. So let's get started. So first, head over to any browser of your choice and go to equid.com, as you can see here. So now once their homepage opens, then click on Get Started for free. So here you will have the options to come up with your details and create an account, or you create an account with your Apple ID, or sign up with your Facebook, or sign up with Google account. So we are going to use Google account, okay? So I click on Google, then I'll have to choose my Google Gmail account. So here on this page, in this input, you will have to come up with your store name. So let's say for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to say my shop is going to be Sabiman Fashion. So you come down on the second input, you choose your country and choose your currency, okay? Then click on next. So here you fill in the address of your shop, or if you don't have a shop, you can fill in the address of your home. So on the second input, you fill in your zip code, as in your postal code. Then come down here and fill in your number and click on next. So here you have to answer these three questions. So let's start from the first one. Click here and say, I'm just getting started. What type of product you are selling? You click here and choose the type of product you are selling. So for the sake of this tutorial, so I'm going to go ahead and select apparel, shoes, and accessories. So here, are you setting up a store for someone else? I said, no, it's for myself. Then here you can check this button to receive their newsletter. Then click on next. So on this next page, do you already have a website? You can choose no. So you come down under here, as you can see, as I have selected that I don't have a website. So now they are going to create a website for me using my business name, which is Sabiman Fashion. So my website is going to be sabimanfashion.company.site. Okay, so you can also click this name here and add your name. So let's say I want my name to be only Sabiman. So after that, click on next. So on this next page here, you will see they have about 4 plans here. 3 of them are paid version, while 1 of them is for free. So as we are setting up a free online shop for ourselves, so I'm going to go ahead and click on create a store. It is free. So now you'll be taken to your dashboard on this Equid. So you see this pop-up message here. It says, get ready for your first sale. Follow our tips to get started. So all these things here are things you have to go through and set up for your online shop to go live on the internet, and you can start making sales right away. So now we are going to go through all these things one after the other to set them up. So click on this first one. So now you have the options once again to edit the URL of your website here. So, and you can also scroll down here and set up a domain name. If you already have a domain name, you can click here and set up a domain name, and you can go down and update your store name. Okay, so after everything is done properly, make sure you hit on save. Then we go back now. So now if you look at the preview Canva here, if you scroll down, you will see this is how your store is going to look like. Okay, scroll down, you see it. So you can edit all these things by clicking on any section you want to edit. So let's say for example that you want to edit the headline and cover image. You click on this headline and cover image. So on the headline, you can click it and write the name of your site. So you can come down here and add your description. Then scroll down once again on the cover layout and choose how you want the cover to be. So as you can see here, this is by the left side. If you choose by the right side, this is how it's going to display, or you choose by the other way around. So depending on which way you want to select, as you can see here. So whichever cover layout you choose, that is your own design. Okay, so for me, I'm going to choose full screen, as you can see here. So you come down here, you can be able to click here and change the cover image, the cover header image. So I click here now. Then I can click on upload image and select from my computer, or I'm going to click on pick from gallery and pick from one of their templates. So let's go there. So here you can see a lot of templates they have here. You can also search from the search input here. So I'm going to choose this one for the sake of this tutorial. As you can see, this is it. So you can also scroll down and choose how you want the effect of the overlay to be. So let's say you select this, as you can see, you select, so you can choose any one of your choice. So, but I want to leave it like this. So you can also come down here and decrease the opacity or decrease it to whatever position you want. So, but I want to leave it like this. So you can go ahead and play around with them, okay? So you can also go back again. Then we'll scroll down. So here on this button level. So if you clean out this rolling now, what you're going to see now is shop now. You can also write it yourself if you want to. Shop now, okay? But if you don't want to include this call to action button on your header, then you can switch it off here, as you can see. But I want to switch it on. So we can come down to store logo. To add our logo, click on upload. Choose your logo. You can see your logo here. So you can also switch this on to make your logo run, as you can see. So after you are done here, make sure you also click on save. So you can decide to click here and add a scroll arrow. If you switch it on here, you can see the scroll arrow here. That is the arrow here. So I'm going to leave it like this. So click on save once again. Then you can click on the top menu to add your menus if you want to add menu. So like here, you want to add your phone number. So you can click here and select maybe show in header or in cover. So let's say, for example, you say show in cover. Your phone number will be shown down here. If you say show in the header, your phone number will be shown up here. So it's advisable to leave your phone number up here rather than down here. So you can decide to switch on this location link. So like if you switch it on now, we see your customers will get a direction on how to get to your shop. So you can also switch on business hours, time of your business on. Here you can decide also to show a navigation bar of some few pages, like 3 to 4 pages on your home page. So like if you switch it on now, you can see the 4 pages, which is store, about, location, and contact us. These are the navigation menu you just switched on now, okay? So you can also decide to show a shopping cart. It is advisable to switch this one on, as you can see it here. So if you are also done here, then click on save. So now we are going to go back once again to this place. So we are going to go over to store. So as you can see, this is the section of your store. So these ones you see here are demo content that you can be able to delete and add your own content. So now here on the thumbnail size, the size of the images, you can decide to make them medium, or you decide to make them smaller or large. So now we are done with this setting up of our store. So click on go back once again. Then here, company's mission. Click on company's mission. As you can see here, they have already given you idea of how the template is going to be. So you can edit this and add your own company's mission, okay? So, but if you don't need the section to show, you can always switch it off from here. So after you've done, then click on save. So now you'll be brought to your dashboard here on Equid. So you can click on there to go directly to your website, or you can come down here, click on website settings to continue to set up your website according to how they expect you to do it here, as you can see by the right side here. Let's go and add a product. So we are going to go to catalog, products. So here you can see the demo products that comes with this platform after you have created an account with them. So all you need to do is to go ahead and delete all these files so that we can start with a clean dashboard and add our own product, okay? I'm going to go here and select all of them. Then click here on the mass updates. Then select delete selected. So you can see all the demo products are now deleted, okay? So now the next step is to click on add new products. So as you can see here, you can click here to upload your images. You can see the main image, different angles, close-up, in-use, and styles. So I'm just going to go ahead and click upload images. So I'm going to select my images. So the images, there are 5. So you can be able to select these 5 images here and they open at the same time. So I'm using this as an example. So we are going to assume that they are all the same type of product, okay? So I'm going to give it a name. So now I'm going to call this one Elegant Wears for Youth. So you can give your product an SKU number. So I'm going to say this is 001. Then you give it a weight. So maybe, for example, I say mine is weighing 0.5. So you can come down here and add a little description of your product. So by the right panel here, you can give it a price. So let's say this is going to be 25 euros. So after you must have made sure that you have added everything here correctly, then you click on save. So if the product you are selling have something like options, so in my own case, as a fashion store, so maybe I have some products, same products that have 2 or 3 or 4 or even more colors, different colors. So, or maybe different sizes. What I'm going to do to include all of them is to select options. So here I have to click on add new option. So you can give it a name by saying maybe this, I'm going to give it colors. Then you come down at add new value. So you can say red. Then click on save. So now, next thing we are going to do is to come down to shipping and pickup. So under these 2 options, you can choose to add a local delivery or you click on add shipping. So I'm going to click on add shipping. So depending on which country you are living in. So what that displays here on my own will be different from what is going to display on your own. So now you can go ahead and set up your shipping method. So let's say, for example, I click on set up DHL. Now you will be presented with these 4 options. You can go ahead and choose any one of your choice, like by flat rates, custom rates, conditional free shipping. But for the sake of this tutorial, I want to choose free shipping. So I'm going to click on set up free shipping button. So here. So you can either decide to leave this name like this or you add your own name. So after that, scroll down and click save and finish. And the reason why I enabled free shipping is because on the price of the product that I'm selling on this platform, that I have already added the shipping fee to it. So that is why I enable free shipping. Okay. So now the next thing we are going to do is to set up our payment method. So to do that, you come here and click on payments. So you can take your time and scroll down and go through all these things to set your payment method properly so that you can start receiving payments from your customers. Okay, if you make sales, so you can see here, if you go to my sales, you can click on orders to see what products customers have ordered from your online shop. You can also come down here at the mobile section so that you can be able to control your online shop even through your mobile phone. Okay, so now once you have done everything perfectly, you have uploaded your product, set your price and everything, and you want to view your website, so you just click on view your website here. So this is the homepage of your online shop. As you can see up here, if you have added your phone number, you will see if somebody clicks here, it will place a call directly to you, or you can click here to see the location of your shop. Then here on the pages, you can click on contact and it will navigate to the contact section. Now, if you scroll down and see these are the products you have uploaded. Like I said before, that if you are using a free account, you are allowed to upload up to 10 free products. But if you have more than 10 products you want to upload, you want to display here, then you have to upgrade your account. But with free accounts, you are allowed to only upload 10 products, okay? And that is totally free. So now when somebody comes to your web shop like this, when somebody comes to your online shop like this, and finds a product he or she wants to buy, let's say for example, he wants to buy this one, then he can click on it. Then the customer will be taken to the single page of that particular product. So as you can see here, so this is the single page. So if the customer wants to select this product and make a purchase, so you can click on go to checkout here, as you can see. So once you click on go to checkout, you'll be taken to this particular place where he will fill in his details and make payments with his preferred payment method, as you can see. So that is it for today's video. I hope this helps, and if it does, please consider to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime I upload video tips like this. Okay, so that being said, thank you for watching and see you guys in the next videos.